Have you ever wondered how to naturalize your garden with wildflowers? Imagine injecting an array of color, attracting a variety of wildlife, all while promoting biodiversity. Wildflowers can do just that. If you're intrigued, stick around as we delve into the simple steps to naturalize your garden with wildflowers. First and foremost, the selection of wildflowers is critical. To create a thriving garden, it's key to select native wildflowers. These beauties are already adapted to your local climate and soil conditions, making them a natural fit. When choosing wildflowers, consider the sunlight they'll receive, the moisture they require, and the soil type they prefer. From sun-loving black-eyed Susans to moisture-hungry cardinal flowers, there's a wildflower to suit every garden's unique conditions. Once you've identified the perfect wildflowers for your garden, it's time to get planting. Now let's dive into the heart of the matter, planting your wildflowers. Begin by preparing the soil, turning it over, and removing any weeds. Once that's done, scatter your wildflower seeds, ensuring a reasonable distance between each to allow room for growth. Remember to plant in the right season. Spring or fall usually works best. Water appropriately, not too much, not too little. With these practices, your seeds will soon bloom into a stunning wildflower spectacle. With your wildflowers in the ground, you're one step closer to a naturalized garden. But wait, your job isn't over yet. Your wildflowers will need some care to thrive. Caring for a wildflower garden means being mindful of watering, ensuring weeds don't overrun the blooms, and being diligent with seasonal care. It's not always a walk in the park, but remember, patience is key. Wildflowers may take a little time to establish themselves and bloom, but oh, when they do, it's a sight to behold. With a little care and patience, you'll be rewarded with a garden that's not only beautiful, but also beneficial to local ecosystems. And there you have it, your guide to naturalizing your garden with wildflowers. Remember, choosing the right wildflowers, planting them properly, and maintaining your garden will bring a vibrant, natural beauty to your space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!